Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many Solidworks users like John may encounter. Picture this. You have a system filled with planes and lines, and you're looking to compare it with other models. The struggle lies in obtaining the directions, or direction cosines of the normals, to various surfaces. Now, while you can easily extract angles between construction planes, it's not as straightforward to get those surface normals. The angles provided are calculated for planes holding projections of lines, making the process a bit more complex. Now let's talk about the solution. To tackle this problem, Solidworks offers a handy feature. If you're dealing with a flat face, you can make use of the normal property to obtain the normal vector to the surface. On the other hand, for surfaces that are not flat, the evaluate@point function comes to the rescue. By utilizing these tools, you can efficiently retrieve the crucial information you need regarding the direction of surface normals. In summary, Solidworks provides efficient solutions to extract the direction of normals to surfaces within your system. By utilizing the normal property for flat faces and the evaluate@point function for non-flat surfaces, you can easily obtain the necessary information for comparison purposes. And there you have it, folks. I hope this information proves helpful in simplifying your Solidworks tasks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any Solidworks tips you have in store. Stay creative and keep innovating.